Hello, my name is Jessica de Pena, and I will be going over Chapter 5 and how Mr. Musk relates towards task and relationship-oriented behaviors. Now, in my presentation, you will see that I lean more towards task orientation. Now, some of those examples of why I believe that is so are right here. As far as Mr. Musk, how he runs a business, we can look at how he views managing. Now, in my research, I had found that rather than be a micromanager, Mr. Musk considers himself to be a nano manager. Now, we understand that micro means 1 millionth. Well, nano means 1 billionth. So this just shows that Mr. Musk takes micromanagement and amplifies it times 3 to display behavior of being very detailed and as far as evaluating tasks and providing a path for his employees to follow. Now, as being a busy person as Mr. Musk, what he does is he likes to do what's called time blocking. Rather than have a things to do list like most task-oriented people, he decides to incorporate a time blocking method of categorizing activities in 5-minute increments throughout the day. What's great about Mr. Musk is that he also does this for his personal life as well, for workout routines and spending time with family. Now, as far as conducting meetings, Mr. Musk thinks meetings are a waste of time. But he understands that at times you are going to have to meet and have a meeting. Well, in those times, employees have stated that Mr. Musk likes people to be prepared, focused, and stick to the facts. He doesn't want storytelling or opinions. He wants the meeting to be as productive as possible and short and direct and to the point. Now, in evaluating Mr. Musk as far as his mission statement, you will see that for Tesla, his goal for Tesla is not a relationship-oriented goal. It's not based on social cohesiveness in the company. It's more towards product development, which is also another task-oriented behavior. You can see it here when he states in the mission that he wants to bring compelling mass-market electric cars as soon as possible. Now, as far as task-motivated goals that he just accomplished in 2017, we can see that he was able to bring some new home batteries into the market and increase revenue by $2.7 billion. Now, moving forward in 2019 and 2027, he's hoping to bring a battery-powered tractor trailer and increase the market capitalization to $650 billion. Now, we have to realize when it comes to evaluating these two orientation types that it's not one or the other. It works as a continuum. You can lean more towards task-oriented or you can lean more towards relationship-oriented. So you're not one or the other. So he does show some similarities to relationship-oriented behavior as well. He likes to motivate and inspire his employees, for example. Now he offers perks, free dinners, coffees, free massages, free goodies, and he likes the employees to be able to have freedom in their responsibilities when implementing their tasks. So these are definitely some relationship-oriented approaches. However, going back to task orientation, we can see what his motivations are. They're not to provide cohesiveness or social support or comfort within the work environment, like relationship-oriented behavior, but rather looking at the bottom line. He's doing this to help increase productivity and to make the company more profitable by making employees work longer hours. So again, that's more towards task-oriented behavior. This can actually be a flaw, in my opinion, for Mr. Musk. You know, for example, as covered earlier, he sees meetings as a waste of time. Now, meetings should also be a place for people to for team development and cohesiveness, and this will help improve company morale and reduce high turnover rate. So he should definitely be a little more flexible when reviewing meetings. And a lot of people say that he likes to criticize during the meetings when people offer their ideas, and this will probably prevent Mr. Musk from being able to generate ideas from his employees, and it'll probably increase tension, which is not good for his end goal anyways of increasing productivity. So I hope that these points help to illustrate how Mr. Musk relates to task-oriented behavior, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.